Hello everyone, this is Aleeza Nadeem and now we're back with our 11th video of the exercise. So here's a new area of doing exercise. She's my mother and she will follow me, and I hope that you guys will also follow me. So let's start with the warm-up exercise. First exercise in which we will do jumping on your toes, and give this video the maximum amount of likes and keep watching and keep sharing with everyone. So first we'll start with the first exercise named jumping on your toes. This is a warm-up exercise. You have to jump on your toes. You have to uplift your heels and jump on your toes 10 times. Inka punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll move towards the second exercise. We have done with the warm-up, like we have done some jogging. So now we'll move towards an exercise, second exercise. And this, what you have to do, you have to fold your leg like this. You have to bring your right leg over your left leg like this. And you have to make your hand like this. And you have to go this way. And you have to make a balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go towards the right side. Go down as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll move towards the third exercise. So this is what you have to do. You have to move your right leg, like you have to make a balance, and you have to move your right leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you have to move anti-clockwise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise is very good for this part of your foot, which way if you have pains, it's getting relief. So now we'll do the same thing with our left leg, like this. First this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to make a good balance. Now other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll move towards the fourth exercise. So the fourth exercise is that you have to put both of your hands on your waist, and you have to move like this, and then first forward and then backwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll move towards from the back side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up till now we have done four exercises. Now we'll move towards the fifth exercise. So my mother will go and I will continue with the further. So now, as I have told you that now we are moving towards the fifth exercise. So my mother will stay with me, she will not go. So today, in my previous video, also make a lot of exercises like exercise 1, exercise 2. So I think that in between I should try something new. So in between the exercises, I want myself to try a self-defense technique with my mother. So it will help you in nowadays to protect yourself and self-defense of yourself. So now we'll move to the fifth, because in sequence we're moving to the fifth exercise. So in fifth exercise we'll convert it to self-defense exercise. Then I will continue the further. So the self-defense technique is that if somebody has grabbed, first I will tell you in the slow motion, then I will tell you in the faster. So if somebody has gripped you from your collar, so what you have to do, you have to first with the right hand, you have to hold his elbow, because this is a weak point. In this hand will get loosened. So you have to hold it from here, and with your left hand, you have to bring it under this hand, and you have to like do it like this. Okay. Now we'll do this in a faster motion. So now we'll move to the other self-defense technique, and then I will continue with further exercises. So the another self-defense technique is somebody hold you with their neck. So now you have to bring your right hand under this hand and this hand. Now we're doing the faster motion. Now we'll continue with the further exercises. I think 6 exercises. So as you're moving towards the 6th exercise, so I will tell you one thing, that in every video I will add some self-defense techniques in between the exercises, so it will be helpful for you guys. So now we're moving towards the 6th exercise. So in this, what you have to do, you have to open your left leg like this, and you have to make join both of your hands like this, and you have to bring backwards and go down and sit down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Upwards. And then we will go again downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll move towards the 7th exercise. So now we're moving towards the 7th exercise, and is what you have to do. You have to bring your right leg forward and you have to grip it with both of your hands and go down and touch your head with your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have to go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. You have to bring your left leg forward and grip it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have to do the same thing with our back leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as we're done, this exercise is very good. So as we're done with this, so now we'll move towards the 8th exercise. So now we're moving to the 8th exercise. That is the last exercise. And this what you have to do. You have to, in the running position, you have to uplift your knees. First we'll loop from the right side and we'll move towards the left side. This way your stamina will be enhanced and you will become active like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. We have to do one step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're moving towards the last step. It's an 8 exercise. In this your stamina will be enhanced. So first we'll start with the right side. In this you have to uplift your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we're done all the 8 exercises. I hope that you guys enjoyed this whole video. We have learned some self-defense techniques also and some new exercises also. So I hope that you guys enjoyed all over the video. And share this video with your parents, siblings also. And follow me and follow these exercises at home and wherever you are, and give this video and all my previous video. And if you don't watch it, so make sure to watch it. Give all the previous video and this video maximum amount of likes. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next week's video. Until then, bye bye. Oh sorry, not next week's video, tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.